Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the music HAT fits your single-board computer. This prevents pin damage and driver mismatch. Once done, choose a stable 5V power source. USB power banks can introduce noise, so prefer a regulated supply. Make sure to ground yourself and clear metal near the pins to prevent shorts. Next, align pin headers visually. You want header rows matching the HAT silkscreen. Start attaching straight. Steady pressure, don't force connectors, and listen for the subtle click when seated. You now secure the HAT physically and wire up signal paths because solid mechanical contact equals reliable audio. Once seated, enable the required interfaces in the operating system, I2C for digital audio, I2C for control, so the kernel will expose the device. Install the HAT vendor drivers or standard ALSA modules, and then edit the boot configuration or device tree overlays to match the HAT identifier. After saving changes, reboot. When the system restarts, you finish by running a series of test tones and sample files to verify playback quality and channel mapping. This reveals issues early. Make sure to set an appropriate sample rate and gain to avoid clipping, and confirm output through headphones or a powered amplifier. If you hear noise or no sound, reseat the HAT and double-check the power rail for correct voltage. Finally, inspect DMESC and syslog for driver errors. These messages point to missing overlays, IRQ conflicts, or permission issues to resolve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.